appreciated. When I was young, me and mama had a beef, 17 years old, kicking out on the street. So back in the time, I never thought I'd see her face. A woman alive that could take my mama's place. Suspended from school, I'm scared to go home. I was a fool with the big boys breaking all the rules. Shed tears with my baby sister. Over the years, we was poorer than the other little kids. And at the top, we had different daddies. The same drama when the things went wrong with blame mama. I reminisce on the stress I caused, it was hell. Hanging on my mama from a jail cell. And who thinking elementary? Hey, I see the penitentiary one day. Running from the police, that's right. Mama catch me in the foot, whipping to my backside. And even as a crack fiend, mama, you always miss the black queen, mama. I finally understand for a woman and an age trying to raise a man. You always committed the poor single mother on the welfare. Tell me how you did it. There's no way I can pay you back. But the plan is to show you that I understand you are appreciated. You are appreciated, dear mama. Tupac, Machiavelli, Mario Shakur. You are appreciated. You are appreciated, dear mama. There ain't nobody tells you what's fair. No love from my dad just cause the coward wasn't there. He passed it away, I didn't cry. Cause my anger would let me pour a pill for the stranger. They say I'm wrong and I'm hurtless, but all along I was looking for a father, he was gone. I hang around with the tags, even to the sale, so drugs to show young brother love. And move around, they started really hanging. I need more money, and more money over the started singing. And I get it cause I never to sell rocks. It feels good putting money in your mailbox. I love paying rent when the rent's due. I hope you get the diamond necklace that I sent to you. Cause when I was low, we was there for me. You never left me alone because you cared for me. Again, you coming home after work late. You're in the kitchen and trying to fix us a hot plate. You just work and I was sculptures given and mama miracles, everything's giving. But now the road got rough, you're alone. You're trying to raise two bad kids on your own. And there's no way I could pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand you are appreciated. Lady, don't you know we love you, sweet lady? And your mama. You're so sweet lady, plus no one above you. You are appreciated, Tupac Amaru, Machiavelli Shakur. Time and time again, reminisce cause through the drama, I can always depend on my mama. And when it seems that I'm hopeless, you say the words that can get me back in focus. When I was sick as a little kid, to keep me happy, there's no limit to the things you did. And all my childhood memories, I'm full of the sweet things that you did for me. Even tough and crazy, I gotta thank the Lord that you made me. There are no words that I can express how I feel. You never keep a secret, always stay real. And I appreciate how you raised me. And all the extra love that you gave me. I wish I could take your pain away if you couldn't make it through the night. There's a brighter day, everything will be alright. Oh, you hold on, then struggle every day, gotta roll on. There's no way I could pay you back. But my plan is to show you that I understand you are appreciated. And your mama, lady, don't you know I love you, sweet lady. You are appreciated. Tupac, Machiavelli, Mario Shakur, rest in peace. Your mama, sweet love you, your mama, lady. Rest in peace, Tupac Amaru, Machiavelli Shakur. Machiavelli Shakur, rest in peace. You are appreciated. You are appreciated.